What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Let's get into it. Box, and I do want to say this is a grade school pair, so they gave us just a normal Air Jordan 1 box. It's all black with a red Nike on top. You got your Nike on this side, same on this side, but then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS, and the colorway is black, metallic gold, and Palomino. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got your normal step of approval right there on top of the box. You just got this plain white tissue paper on the inside. That's pretty much it for the inside. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Okay, we started off by saying, to me right here, this is the one. I'm loving this colorway. Can't go wrong with this brown and this black, giving this very nice wintry fall vibes going on with them. And plus it's brown. I love brown shoes for some reason, and these was just a must cop for me. But overall, very nice, clean Jordan 1, can't go wrong. As we all know, everyone comparing these to the mochas. I can understand why I have my pair right here. Definitely pretty much, they're giving you the same vibe, except you got your white right here on the mochas and that nice brown in the back of the mocha on the heel. And then we got the Palominos that's all black and brown throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Overall, to me, still two very, very nice shoes, but to me, they're still different in their own way, so that's why I'm definitely keeping both of mine. Heard a lot of people saying they're going to get rid of the regular mochas just because they were getting the Palominos. Me, personally, no, I like them both. They still look different to me, and that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into the description of this shoe. Like I said, you still got this all black and brownish brown color on the upper of the shoe. You got this nice, I'm going to go with the Palomino. I'm guessing that's this color for the brown. Nice suede right here on top of the toe. You got this nice black leather coming across the front of the toe, going all the way to the side of the shoe, where you got a nice black suede coming around. And you still got that nice Palomino brown Nike check on the side of the shoe. Going up to through the side all the way to the back of the heel, you got that nice brown and that nice brown suede Palomino colorway coming across the back of the heel. Very clean inside the shoe. You just got your Nike Air and like a, I'm gonna say it's a yellow gold looking color. That's what they got for the inside. You got your all black going across the ankle midsole, which is very clean, very nice. And you still got that nice upper of that black leather on the top of the toe of the shoe also, which is very, very clean. Not the top of the toe, but the top of the ankle liner of the shoe, very, very clean. Going back to the front of the shoe right here, you got your all black laces. Unfortunately, we did not get any extra laces. Not understanding why, but we didn't get any extra laces with these. Just gave us a black one, but I think it's maybe sale might look okay, but to me, black looks good. I'm just gonna definitely roll with these black ones that they came with. I think it makes the shoe looks perfectly fine, and I don't think it really needs to be changed. But like I said, if you did have an extra pair, probably would go with those sales just to offset it with that nice sale midsole that we're getting on this shoe. So overall, still very clean. Going back to the tongue right here, you still got that Nike Air right there in that gold colorway, goldish yellow colorway, which is nice. Like I said, we got this sale midsole, and then we got that all brown bottom with your Nike on the bottom of the shoe also. Very, very clean shoe. To me, like I said, this was a must cop for me. I love the shoe, love the colorway. Can't go wrong with brown, and like I said, fall rolling around, so would not, the perfect shoe to have for this time of the year right here. Very nice, very clean. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same exact way. You got that nice brown and black going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Midsole seal, that nice brown bottom. Very nice, very clean, and very, very nice materials. You got your normal Air Jordan wings right here on the side. It's on every Air Jordan 1. But overall, very nice, very clean shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did y'all go for these today? They came out today, which is September the 2nd. Retail for GS sizes is $140. Men's size $180. Overall, like I said, can't go wrong. Very nice materials. A1 quality control, and like I said, I like these shoes, very nice. I did want to compare them though to the men's sizes. I do have a men's size because this is a GS size, And these are the men's sizes right here. It looks pretty much the same as that way. Nothing too different going on with either one of them. This was the men's size right here. I can't say that they might have a tad bit of a better quality on top of the toe wise as far as that suede. Maybe not. Can't really tell when you put them up together, but like I'm just gonna go off by saying it might be a little bit better. But overall, it's not a nail breaker for me. I'm gonna always go for my GS size just because I don't have to pay that extra $40 just to get a men's size, because the only thing normally that's different is they give them extra laces. But this shoe didn't come with extra laces, so the men's sizes didn't come with extra laces either. But overall, they're still both very clean, and like I said, quality wise, they both pretty much look the same exact way. Nothing is too different. So if you wanted to go for the GS size, I would say go ahead and go for it, because you might be able to get those the easiest at this point in time, because I think pretty much all the men's sizes are gone. So it's gonna be a hard shoe to probably cop, but I don't think the resale market on these is very high. So if you want them, I would say go ahead and get them now, and you should be good to go. But like I said, overall, quality wise between the two, pretty much about the same. So if you wear that GS size, hey, just go ahead and get it. Don't worry about getting those men's sizes and pay that extra money. Save those $40 if you want to. But another thing I did want to point out is that the men box, which looks way better than ours, so I'm guessing that's where that $40 is coming in. They got the all black box with this nice gold Nike on the top that's going throughout the whole upper of the box, which I think is very nice and very clean. But I'm still not really understanding the gold colorway. This metallic gold they have on the top of the shoe, because on the shoe, like, where is metallic gold? Is this yellow supposed to be for the metallic gold colorway? I don't know. Somebody let me know down in the comment below if you know, but if so, that's the only part on the shoe. It has that yellow right there on top of the tongue, and then on the inside of the shoe has that Nike Air in that yellow gold colorway also. But other than that, it's no gold on the shoe, so I don't know how they came up with that box. I'm not mad at it, but the only difference out of men and GS is men get this gold box, and us kids and these small foot people like me, we just get the normal regular Air Jordan 1 box. But that's pretty much it. If you into boxes, maybe you care, but if you like me, you don't care about your box, you're just gonna put it in another room anyway, it's not a nail breaker. So go ahead and get that GS size. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Y'all let me know down in the comment below. Did y'all go for these today, or did you pass on them? Or you gonna try to catch them later on down the line? Y'all let me know down in the comment below. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you're gonna post all my videos. Hit that like button for your girl. Get this video out there a little bit more. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.